Hi everyone, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. You're welcome to today's Onyxcoin price update video. So XCN is currently trading around 0.010. We are left with 10 hours until this current daily candle closes. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this very important chart for XCN, and not to forget this previous XCN chart we've been following for countless times now. And briefly in this video as well, we're going to be talking about the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame. Altcoin season is inevitable. Hold your horses very well. This is not a time to get shaken out of your position. This is not a time to panic sell at all. Rather, what you should be doing is to panic buy, and jumping from one project to another will do you no good. You just end up wasting your time getting sidelined. You have to hold on to your altcoin with conviction. So we are also briefly going to talk about the orders chart. This is the orders BTC pair, orders chart BTC pair on the monthly time frame, excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are also briefly going to talk about the MACD indicator on the monthly time frame for the orders BTC pair as well. The last time this bullish divergence formed on the orders BTC pair MACD chart, MACD histogram, we got a massive altcoin season to the upside and topped in November 2021. Same signal just flashed. We just got another bullish divergence on the MACD histogram. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. We're going to be talking about that as well in this video. Not to forget the probability of getting a rate cut. We are going to discuss that briefly in this video as well. We are still going to briefly compare the orders chart and the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is currently in her season, Ethereum season. The moment Ethereum broke above the $2,900, it rallied into a full-blown Ethereum season. Now, the moment orders chart is breaking and flipping the $305 billion zone into a support, we should begin to expect altcoin season. Now, I don't expect the price of Onyxcoin to go below 0.0080 zone anymore, you understand? And I'll be entering massively by the time my entry limit order gets triggered. I think we might get my entry triggered. My entry limit, my final entry zone is between 0.00099 and also 0.00086 zone. So this is going to be my final entry zone. That is if BTC is getting rejected, because if you guys are paying attention, BTC just tapped into this breaker block once again. So anything above the $117,600 or $500 for BTC, then we should begin to expect a new all-time high. But if we are getting rejected once again from this bearish breaker block, then I wouldn't be surprised seeing the $105,000, $106,000 for BTC price. So if that is happening, then I think that is when my final entry limit order for Onyxcoin is going to get triggered. So this is not a time to panic sell at all. This is the time to panic buy DCA into Onyxcoin, XCN, and potential cryptocurrencies you believe in. I think the moment we are flipping the 0.0149 to a support, we are going to easily take out the sell wall around the 2-cent level. Before I proceed, if you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. So a flip of the 2-cent zone into a support is going to mark the beginning of a new uptrend, a new trend for Onyxcoin. Onyxcoin has been on a downtrend for a while now. So the moment we are flipping the 2-cent into a support, forget about it. The bears are going to get slaughtered. Altcoin season, like I've screamed at the top of my voice countless times, is inevitable. And I think I dropped a couple of information for you guys on the Telegram channel. And I said I was going to talk about the orders chart, which is what we are going to do. So for those panicking selling now, I think you're doing yourself no good. What you should be doing right now is to panic buy DCA into potential project. And you shouldn't be jumping from one coin to another. That is a very bad and wrong strategy. That strategy would eventually make you lose a lot of money. The best thing is to trust your conviction and hold on to particular coins you believe in instead of jumping from one coin to another, rotating unnecessarily. Yeah, altcoin season is inevitable, like seriously. And we also talked about this. The truth, a lot of people patience is running out already. and you guys need to hold. Here is the economic calendar outlook for this week. Monday, no news, clear price action. Tuesday, no news, clear PA. Wednesday, expect volatility, which is the day before the CPI news. Thursday, clear price action. Friday, clear price action as well. So yeah, that's that for that. And let's go back to... So by the time the BTC dominance start dropping aggressively, just like it did in 2021 altcoin season, 2017 altcoin season, that is when we are going to explode. That is when altcoins are going to go parabolic, go ballistic, like seriously. And let's not forget the orders chart is already flashing a very, very important signal. The last time this signal flashed here, we sent massively to the upside. The last time it flashed, with altcoin market exploded. The last time it flashed in 2021, altcoin market exploded, and the orders chart slash BTC pair, excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, topped in November. You get technically. No. Since the orders chart topped in December 2021, it has never outperformed BTC since then. I think this is the first time it will be bouncing from this support zone on the monthly time frame and then sending aggressively to the upside. Now, the send is going to be televised. A lot of people are going to get surprised and are going to wish they bought more altcoins now. If you're entering the MACD indicator for the orders slash BTC pair on the monthly time frame, excluding top 10, top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, you will notice the last time this bullish divergence formed, the orders price exploded to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention, the bullish divergence has now formed on the histogram again. And the moment you're seeing this MACD line crossing above the signal line, which is number one bullish indicator, the second bullish indicator would be for the MACD line and the signal line to both cross above the, the zero line and head above the histogram. The third indicator will be the histogram flipping green, start forming a green candle. Then you should know we should be in an explosive phase of the altcoin season by then, because before this histogram and MACD line will even cross below the zero line, we should already be in an altcoin season. And by the time they cross above the zero line, we should be approaching the mania phase, the blow up phase. I'm going to be giving you guys a heads up as to when to sell, so you have nothing to worry about. The probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut for the month of September is now seated at 90%, almost 100%. And the probability of getting larger 50% basis point rate cut in the month of September is now seated at 10%. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. We should be expecting the rate cut on the 17th of September 2025. Expect a lot of volatility in the market. If you're paying attention, we have 9 days and 4 hours, 21 minutes until the next FOMC meeting for the month of September 2025. So I think September onward looks very, very promising for the altcoin market. Hold your altcoin very well. This is not the time to panic sell at all. There's no reason at all to panic sell. By the way, whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not be regarded as financial advice. But I would be holding my altcoin. I'm not the type that sell. I rather hold my altcoin until zero. And I know I'm wrong with my conviction than to sell at a loss. You understand? It's either 10x to 100x gain or I hold until zero. That's just my own strategy for altcoin long-term hold. So yeah, that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. Peace out.